To change separate app sound audio device in Samsung Galaxy S10. Open Settings. From a home screen, swipe up or down from the center of the display to access the app's screen. Tap Settings. Tap Sounds and Vibration. Scroll down. Tap Advanced Sound Settings. Tap Separate App Sound. Tap Audio Device. Select device you want. Phone or Bluetooth device. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.